This leverless gaming controller is quickly becoming my new favorite way to play fighting games. I'll tell you why, but first, let's do a quick unboxing and then I'll get it hooked up and show you how to use it with your favorite game. Note that this product was sent to me to review, however all the opinions in this video are my own. It comes in this very nicely packaged box. There's some features listed on the back which I won't go into, but do know that you can use this controller on PC, PS4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. Upon opening, we get a few items including a switch remover installer and 2 extra keycaps. There is a little manual here which you do not want to lose. This manual tells you how to switch between each system, setting the RGB lights, and so on. And finally, we have the controller itself. There is also a white version, but the one I got was black. The buttons feels really good to press. It doesn't have that clicky feeling, which is pretty good. Instead, it has more like a soft keyboard feeling. The keycaps are made of a soft plastic and is pretty large in size for easy gaming. The top left contains an LED panel that shows you which buttons are being pressed. Now let's hook it up to a game and try it out. So as you can see here, I have it working with the King of Fighters. The feedback and response is pretty amazing on this controller, and it's pretty instant from the moment I press the button to the moment the character executes a move. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this leverless controller. If there is one thing I would ask for that could make this controller even better, it would be to make it wireless. For now, the wire is getting in the way, so having a wireless leverless controller would be pretty amazing. Overall, I highly recommend it if you want to take your skills to the next level.